Hello and welcome. This video is about how to create a Facebook group. The process is easy. You do not need any kind of technical skills. Anyone can do this. It is also fast, as you are about to see. If you are not yet a member of Facebook, join Facebook. It is free. Once you join, click on the menu icon near the top right of your page. This will open a drop-down. On the right side is the Create column. We want to create a group, so click on Group. This will take you to your new Facebook group page. On the left side, near the top, fill in your new Facebook group's name. Below that, click on your privacy setting. Your group can be public or private. Click on the setting that you want. Once you make your privacy selection, a Create button will appear at the lower left of your page. Click on Create. Your group has now been created. There are a few quick details that you want to take care of. In the left column, you will be able to take care of the details for your new group, such as settings and features and rules. Go down the left column to familiarize yourself with your tools and options and to take care of your group's details. Your group's image is called a Facebook banner. If you need help creating one, you can go to a free site called canva.com. Type in Facebook banner in the Canva search box and Canva will make creating your banner easy. That is it. It is so simple. If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you, and thank you for watching. If this kind of content interests you, allow me to invite you to join the channel, so that Mr. P can let you know each time a new video is uploaded. Again, thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.